I thought I would also talk about experiencing things with no name, and this is from a conversation I was having with my husband. We were driving through our county. We were just literally out on a drive. Sometimes we do this, we get in the car and my husband just drives around and we have a chat and we just take in the countryside and look at the changing seasons. And we were talking about our favourite parts and which bits we like and the reason why. And I made the comment that different parts of the county feel very, very different, and they evoke different feelings in me that actually I don't actually have any words for. I cannot actually put into words how they make me feel. It's just a feeling of that particular place. And I thought this was like really, really interesting. I realised that I can't verbalise what it is that's so interesting. Not interesting, but what it is that sparks that feeling in me. And I wondered if there is a name for this type of sensation which is provoked by being somewhere. I don't think there is the name. Now, I guess the genius loci of a place has something to do with this. So the genius loci of a place is the sort of the spirit, the sort of soul of a place, and that is made up by the individual spirits of each rock and stone and plant and flower. But some of these places that we pass through, I only know them to pass through in the car. I don't know them to walk them. I mean, I know them because they're part of this local landscape, but I don't know them intimately like I might do the area around my home. But I'm wondering if it's the genius loci, the soul, the spirit of a place, whether that has a personality, you know, in the same way that we have a spirit and a soul and we have a personality. I don't know. What do you think? Do you experience this magical feeling? And this magical feeling differs from place to place, and it almost gives me goosebumps. It's really, really fascinating. Is there, if English is your second language, do you have a name for this in your language? Tell me about where you are, whether you experience this, whether you know what this is called. You know, overall, does it have a name? The feeling that a place invokes, and also, yeah, what should we do about this? You know, there are all these different feelings I get from all these different places, and they're all different. I don't know if I've made any sense at all on this. I think the feeling is getting stronger as I get older, and perhaps it's the longer I stay in one place. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know. I think I did pick up on this as a child. Looking back, there are definite places that made me feel a certain way, but I don't think I was aware of that or I was aware of it at the time, but I wasn't aware of the fact that it didn't have a name. Very, very interesting. My brain has gone on a little bit of a journey this week. Yeah, I just want to know, do you experience this as well? Have you ever thought about it? Have you maybe named this feeling that somewhere gives you? Have you made up a word? I know it's a bit out there, but it's a really, really magical feeling, and it always happens, and it's the same. Whenever I go to a certain place, I get the same feeling. Whenever I go to a different place, I get a different feeling. I'm going to have a look online. Maybe I should have done that before I started this video. Perhaps there is a word. But yeah, I wanted to put it to you guys first to see what you thought and what you think.